welcome to another Clear to There training video. Today I would like to go over linking cameras on the Gateway's LAN port. We'll go over our professional camera and also one of our Wi-Fi cameras. As you see here, I have a PoE switch, our gateway, and the two cameras. Our Wi-Fi camera is not PoE, but our professional camera is. As you see, I have a coupling connecting the camera from the pigtail to the PoE switch powering on, and from the gateway's LAN port to the switch. On another port, I also have the Wi-Fi camera. The first application that you're going to open up, if your cameras have been added already, you're going to link IP app. My gateway's IP ID is 23047. I'm going to put that into the application and click link devices to the gateway. I have two choices. So my first choice is mini dome camera. When I choose this, I have three choices. Today, like I mentioned before, we are going to automatically link on Gateway's LAN network. Okay, when I choose that device, it is going out to the gateway and checking the ARP table. Judging the ARP table would only list cameras that have been connected and received a DHCP address from the gateway. Each time it reboots, that ARP table is released. And the camera I'm looking for right now, by MAC address, our professional cameras always start with the 80AAA4 prefix. The Wi-Fi camera actually has a MAC address on the back. I am choosing my professional camera. It will go into linking the device. This could take up to 2 minutes. And what it's doing right now is programming an IP address and all of the resolutions that we have predefined. Once this is done, on a normal install, what you would do is reboot the gateway for it to start working. In this situation, I am going to link another camera. I'm choosing to link my Wi-Fi camera, and I will have another choice when I choose automatically link on the gateway's LAN network. My choice here is, will this device be using Wi-Fi? Yes. Even though it is plugged in Ethernet right now, I will be using it as a Wi-Fi camera once the linking process is complete. You do have to have it hardwired before you link the camera Wi-Fi. So yes, I will be using camera's Wi-Fi. It's going to go out to the camera, and it is going to program the camera the way we have predefined. Here you've noticed that I have one open MAC and one linked MAC. So because we haven't rebooted the gateway, we're going to see them both. And to save us from having an issue of linking the same camera twice, the system will tell you it's MAC'd and tell you the name, it's linked, and the camera's name. In this situation, I'm choosing my open MAC, which is my Wi-Fi camera, and it's going to start programming the camera. And the next step that you need to do would be to enable gateway Wi-Fi. If it is previously enabled, you can do that from the gateway manager. In this situation, I am going to enable the gateway Wi-Fi, and that is going to reboot the gateway, which needs to be done in between each IP device. As you'll see, the gateway is going to reboot. Once the gateway is rebooted, There's several ways that you can troubleshoot the cameras for working, or you can log in with the customer account. 23047 is my gateway ID, and what I can look at here is my local IP devices. I can see that there's three different IP addresses. And I can actually take these and ping them. That will tell me I have a connection. You can also go into Wi-Fi connections and see that we do have a Wi-Fi connection. And it'll tell you the signal strength. From that, you should be able to see that you are getting video. We're going to log in. And just verify that. Click on. Okay, so once you have logged into the customer account, you can click on the live video app, and you see our professional camera first come up, and the second camera that we linked being our Wi-Fi camera. Thank you for viewing our video, and I hope that this message was clear to there.